Bruce Peninsula Biosphere Association has been generating a suite of tools for the next generation of field water management. One part of these tools is a phosphorus removing media. This all started back in the spring and summer of 2018 when Dr. Bulent Mutis of the University of Windsor and his graduate student showed that tomato roots could actually remove phosphorus from barnyard runoff when it was in the parts per million concentrations. This started us to thinking maybe we could improve on that. In 2018, we managed to get an improvement when Dr. David Ewer generated a carboxymethylcellulose iron complex that showed success at removing phosphorus at the parts per billion level. We moved forward and started the manufacturing process and generated enough of the material to go into a tile drain system. So the Thames Valley project, which was a phosphorus reduction collaborative, took some of our materials. Unfortunately, they were wet. Bags of material floated around inside of the phosphorus reduction structure. Some of them floated out. There was basically no result. In 2021, we took some of the dried material, made a tile drain outlet control unit. In the spring of 2021, we took some of the dry material, and on one of our tile drain outlet controls, we retrofitted a cartridge with the dry flakes. We were able to remove phosphorus from the tile water, which suggested that in dry form, the material was probably an effective way to absorb phosphorus from field water. Another installation of the dry material adhered to cedar bark at Thames Valley did reveal some success, and we made the decision to try and move forward by combining the filter with the next generation tile drain outlet control that was connected using Internet of Things technologies. We created a ton scale production facility, and we experimented with two types of filtration mechanism. One was an active filtration cartridge made by Niels Monk, solar powered pump pumped water through the cartridge that was filled with the sorbent media, and we were able to see results that indicated we could sometimes get up to 80% reduction taking phosphorus concentrations from high parts per billion to low parts per billion. We also had a passive system that showed some potential successes. The Bruce Peninsula Biosphere Association is continuing to work on developing ton-scale sorbent production for integration with a complete suite of field water management tools. We would like to thank our funders and our partners for making this project possible. Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada through the Agri-Science program, which is all part of the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.